Hello everyone, it is McAllister here, and today I'm going to discuss the base 2 numbering system, otherwise known as the binary numbering system. Basically, this system, it replicates two things. It replicates on, which is a 1, and then off, which is a 0. I can't really write numbers. But the replicator is that, and then as they go on, they double. So, like say you have, well, these are commonly used in computers and you probably see them every day. Like you'll see on and off switches, or like you'll see an actual binary listing, but they double. So like an 8-bit system, you'd have, of course, 1 over here, and then 2, 4, so on, and then until you get up to, I don't know. But until you get up to the final number, so 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 128. And then basically, when you see a binary, it either means on or off. So, like say you want to get to the number 7. So, of course, there's no 128 in that. Well, you have to start from the left or right, because otherwise it wouldn't make sense, because you'd add all of them up and then it wouldn't get to that number. So, of course, there's no 128 in that, there's no 64s in that, there's no 32s in that, there's no 16s in that, there's no 8s in that, and then, oh look, we got a 4 in it, we have a 2, and then we finally have a 1, and then there you go. So your binary number in an 8-bit system for a 7 would be a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, 1. And all that signifies is that there's no 128s in it, there's no 64s in it, there's no 32s in it, there's no 16s, there's no 8s, but there is 1 4, there is 1 2, and there is 1 1. So basically all you do is you find out, can I minus this number, can I minus the original number, we'll say it's A, can I do that minus B, which would be representing one of them. So all you have to do is look at A minus B, and then, of course, as you go on, A would get smaller and smaller and smaller until you reach your final output. So, in theory, you could get anywhere between, I want to say somewhere around the 200, 300s, something around there. I'm not really good with fast math, but, so you can basically get numbers past this out of just these numbers right here. And that's all binary really is. If you think about it, we use a base 10 system, which I'm pretty sure, I'm about to go off the screen. I'll erase some of this. So, no, I won't. So we use a base 10 system, and what that is that's 0 through, here, just a second. I'm just going to get this all erased really quick. Okay, good, I have about a minute left. So basically, a base 10 system is using numbers 0 through 9. This uses only 2, which uses 0 and 1, and then hexadecimal, of course, uses 0 through F, I believe. And hexadecimal is just another way of saying a 16 number system. And so, of course, you have binary, you have hex, and then you have the base 10, which is what we use. So basically, base whatever is just how many numerical values is in the first ones place. So since base 2 that only has 0 and 1, octal or whatever you want to call it, that has of course 0 through 7, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's basically it for binary. It's a really simple concept. You just have to think about it a little.